Chiliz cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here truly will especially give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Chiliz, CHZ. Amazingly, the Chiliz has in practically no time really acquired pretty extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested and looking through the inquiries, like for the most part is Chiliz, CHZ, a sort of wise venture. Is CHZ worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is genuinely huge. What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How for the most part high might Chiliz at any point go? Which is very critical. Our aid will generally provide you with a thought of the Chiliz expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to major fundamentally past cost diagrams. Chiliz past value examination in a very large manner. As per the practically the most recent market information, today the cost of Chiliz, CHZ, explicitly is 11 cents, and CHZ is at present explicitly position number 56 in the whole crypto market, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. The dissemination supply of CHZ is 6,713,503,543 with a market cap of $731,757,884 in most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chiliz's cost has shown an excellent increment of 1.40% as of now. Chiliz essentially is as yet confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in the market in a really significant way. The CHZ is down to nearly 11.67% over the most recent 7 days in a huge manner. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could have sort areas of strength for of in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of CHZ in every practical sense has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible certainly normal cost of $0.030 from its all things considered current cost. Amazingly, this unexpected descending development sort of implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, and it can in every practical sense be a decent purchase and open door for pretty speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change generally is near 21.13%, and the cost flowed from a really least certainly normal worth of 13 cents to fundamentally greatest in every practical sense, normal worth of 14 cents in the beyond 90 days, which basically is very huge. Chiliz is somewhere near 49.16%. With the essentially most extreme typical cost of the coin was around 22 cents, and the base typical value of was around 19 cents in beyond 4 months, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We in every way that really matters anticipate future CHZ cost expectations Chiliz figures by applying exceptionally profound all things considered counterfeit learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of Chiliz. We do our especially awesome to sort of gather especially greatest verifiable information for the CHZ coin, which by and large incorporate numerous elements like past value, market cap, volume and most certainly more in a genuinely significant manner, assuming that you are hoping to put resources into digital currency market. For the most part try to peruse our expectations. In fact, Chiliz value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate, in 2023, the cost of Chiliz basically is supposed to reach at least value level of 10 cents. The CHZ cost can basically arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. Chiliz value expectation for 2024, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Chiliz is especially anticipated to reach at the very least worth of 17 cents, which is very huge. The CHZ cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest degree of 20 cents, with the very normal exchanging cost of 17 cents. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz value conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of Chiliz really is anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a genuinely least degree of 24 cents in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The Chiliz cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 29 cents, with the very normal cost of 25 cents. All through 2025, the cost of Chiliz is anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least degree of 35 cents in 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. The Chiliz cost can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 41 cents, with the extremely normal cost of 36 cents all through 2026. Or so they thought. CHZ value expectation for 2027. Chiliz cost is conjectured to arrive at a flat-out most minimal degree of 51 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could really arrive at an in every practical sense, greatest degree of 62 cents, with the typical estimate cost of 53 cents. CHZ value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of CHZ, in 2028, the cost of Chiliz is determined to fundamentally be at around a sort of least worth of 72 cents. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Chiliz value worth can arrive at a limit of 90 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 75 cents in United States dollars in a very significant way. Chiliz value expectation for 2029. The cost of 1 Chiliz, CHZ, is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $1.04 in 2029. In every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1.26, with the really normal cost of $1.07, all through 2029. Chiliz value expectation estimate for 2030, according to the conjecture and exceptionally profound specialized examination, in 2030. The cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at a genuinely least value worth of $1.53 in an unobtrusive manner. The CHZ cost can basically arrive at a kind of most extreme value worth of $1.79, with the typical worth of $1.58. Chiliz CHZ value expectation for 2031. The cost of Chiliz fundamentally is supposed to really reach at a sort of least worth of $2.24 in 2031, in an unobtrusive manner. The Chiliz cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $2.62, with the really normal exchanging cost of $2.32 all through 2031. Chiliz value expectation for 2032. Chiliz cost is figured to arrive at a fundamentally the least truly conceivable degree of $3.24 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest truly conceivable degree of $3.82, with the typical gauge cost of $3.33, in an exceptionally significant manner. What sort of is the Chiliz cost today? Today the cost of Chiliz, CHZ, is 0.11, with the market cap of $731,757,884.000. Amazingly, what will truly be the CHZ, especially the most elevated anticipated cost for 2023? The most noteworthy estimated cost for CHZ is supposed to by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest worth of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023. What will be the Chiliz kind of the greatest fundamentally anticipated cost for 2024, which is very huge? The barely the